Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy crypto on Phantom Wallet using Moonpay. To begin, open your Phantom Wallet application on your device. You will need to have your wallet unlocked and ready for transactions. Ensure you have a small amount of Solana available for network fees, which are typically very low, often less than $1. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth purchasing experience. We will now proceed to the buying interface. Once inside your Phantom Wallet, locate and tap on the Buy tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This action will open the integrated Moonpay service. Next, you will see a list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Select the specific digital asset you wish to acquire, such as Solana or Ethereum. Then, input the amount of fiat currency you want to spend or the exact quantity of crypto you desire. Moonpay will display the conversion rate. After selecting your crypto and amount, carefully review all transaction details presented by Moonpay. This includes the exchange rate, any applicable fees, and the total cost. Next, you will choose your payment method. Moonpay typically supports major debit and credit cards, offering flexibility. Securely enter your payment information, including card number, expiration date, and security code, into the designated fields. Always double-check for accuracy before proceeding to the final step. With your payment details entered, you will be prompted to confirm the purchase. Take a moment to review everything one final time before authorizing the transaction. Moonpay will then process your payment. You should receive a confirmation email from Moonpay detailing your purchase. Typically, your newly acquired cryptocurrency will appear in your Phantom Wallet within a few minutes, ready for you to manage or use as desired. Congratulations on your successful crypto purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.